Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Many Gmail users often wonder where the More button is located. They search for this button to access important folders like drafts, spam, trash, or specific custom labels. The reality is, the traditional More button, as a distinct clickable element, no longer exists in modern Gmail. Instead, it has evolved into an expandable section found within your left sidebar. To locate these additional options, direct your attention to the left side of your Gmail screen. You will first see your primary folders, such as Inbox, Starred, Snoozed, and Sent Mail. Below these core folders, you might see Drafts, and then a partial list of your custom labels. If you do not immediately see all your labels or crucial options like Fall Mail, Spam, or a Trash, you need to look for the word More written out. This More text is typically accompanied by a small downward pointing arrow or a simple triangle icon. Clicking on this More text or the accompanying arrow will expand the list. This action will reveal all your hidden labels, various categories, and other essential system folders. If you still cannot find it, try scrolling down the left sidebar carefully. Sometimes, your browser window might be too small, or you have numerous visible labels, which can push the More option out of immediate sight. Simply scroll down the sidebar, and you will eventually find the More option or the arrow. This design helps keep your Gmail sidebar organized and clutter-free, making it easier to manage your email.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.